Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating loose particles that will cause scratches if rubbed. Rinse the panel with low-pressure water and wash using a pH-neutral soap. This removes grit and oils. Once done, blot dry with one microfiber towel while keeping the surface slightly damp where you'll clay. Make sure to assemble the clay kit and lubricant within reach. You're starting clean so the clay and polish can act on embedded dust, not loose debris. That minimizes marring as you proceed. You'll now remove embedded paint dust with a clay bar and lubricant. Spray lubricant generously and glide the clay with light pressure across a 30 by 30 centimeter area. The tack lifts bonded particles without abrading clear coat. Once the panel feels slick, fold the clay to expose a clean face and continue. Make sure to replace lubricant and clay as it loads, otherwise you'll reintroduce contaminants. After each pass, wipe with a clean microfiber to reveal the true finish before moving on. You finish by restoring gloss and protecting the paint. If the clay left microhazing, use a fine polish by hand or a dual-action polisher at low speed to refine the surface. This removes light marring. Once polished, apply a paint sealant or wax to lock out new dust and contaminants. Finally, inspect in good light and run your hand over the panel. If deeper scratches or persistent haze appear, stop. Try a small test spot or consult a pro to avoid overwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.